Hi everyone, and welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today I'm going to be showing you the results of my 2-skein cotton challenge. And this skein challenge was geared towards zero waste and travel. And for our skein challenge, I grabbed 2 skeins of the Lily Sugar and Cream cotton yarn, and this is just size 4 and it's also 4 ounces. And the color I chose was teal. And the first thing I made was a produce bag, and this is the smallest of the set. And all the produce bags have this very easy cinch, so it's just attached. You don't have to tie anything or anything like that. So you just stick your produce inside of it and then cinch it up nice and tight. And like I said, this is the small, and I was able to fit roughly 7 avocados just to give you a size reference. And I made this medium one here, and this one was able to fit 2 of my romaine lettuces and basically 1 gigantic kale. It was also able to hold roughly 7 pounds of potatoes. And this is my extra large produce bag, and this is ideal for kale or lettuce or anything like that. And I was able to fit 2 gigantic kales, 3 to 4 romaine, 2 chards, anything like that that's really big. It fit great in here. And they all have that easy cinch. And I also made this elegant soap saver, and so what I'm going to do is one of my soap savers in teal is going to be dedicated to my shampoo bar, and then another one to my body bar because I don't want to get those confused. So I'm basically going to make my husband the same set, just in a different color. I also made this silverware case that I basically roll my silverware up into a napkin, and then I can put it in this nice handy safe case, and it does stay in there really nicely. And I also made this exfoliating face pad as well as this thick macrame ring that I do plan on using for my macrame projects, but who knows, I might use it for something else as well. I just like having this kind of stuff lying around, so when I need to grab it, I can. And let me tell you what happened to my button. I made a button in teal, but my dog ate it. At least I think he ate it. He might have buried it in the backyard or something like that, but I looked up and it was completely gone. And it's my fault for leaving it out, but I ended up having to make a button with the white cotton yarn that I was going to use for my other skein because I am using this button in my tiny backpack that I'm making, and I really needed it. So I'm sorry that it's in a different color, but I do promise that I did have enough to make this button with my 2 skeins. It's just gone. And that is it. I was able to make all those projects, and the only yarn that I had left over was from my tails. Please let me know in the comments below if you also completed this skein challenge or if you made some of the projects from it. And I will be releasing more skein challenge videos because I love this. I hate wasting yarn, and I don't really know what to do with half my yarn that I have lying around from leftover projects. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.